Alright folks, today's walkthrough Wednesday is 2713 Valence Street. This is just an absolutely gorgeous new renovation in the Freret area. We're right by the best retail on Freret, like Humble Bagel and all of that. Got this sweet porch to hang out on. We've just had the most beautiful weather in New Orleans recently. It has been unbelievable. So here's the home. As you can see, we've foregone our attic space to have these soaring high ceilings. It's truly just a lovely property. These floors as well really give it an open feel, and they're in great condition. White hardwood is just gorgeous. This kitchen is just a marvel as well. All those white cabinets, great modern amenities, all stainless steel appliances, everything you could want there. Here's this. They have it as a study, but this could clearly be a bedroom. It's got its own closet. And these fixtures as well. It's the little things like this that really bring something up to being luxury. It's the little things that elevate a property to be a luxury property and have that feel. So much of finding the right home lies in that emotional feeling when you walk into a place and you think, I could see myself living here every day. So here is our washer dryer. Here's our second bedroom that we've seen. Now we're in the master suite, so it's got this massive walk-in closet, large bedroom, and this unbelievable master bath. This is what we like to see in a master bath, just something exquisite like this, something that adds a little extra flavor. So now I'll show you all the yard. We have a gorgeous deck out here. And really a rather large backyard too. It could be configured to have a pool back here. Just another lovely sitting space. Some outside access. We're in a great uptown neighborhood. This Freret area has really blossomed before our eyes. So 2713 Valence Street is offered at $450,000. We're ready for you to take a tour yourself, or if you have any other questions, just feel free to contact Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. This is truly not a property to be missed, and I thank you for watching. Happy Halloween, and I hope you're having weather half as good as we're having in New Orleans. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off. Bye.